In this tutorial, we'll be looking at how to run a traffic ad on Facebook and Instagram. In our previous videos, we look at how to set up our Facebook, how to optimize it, how to moderate comments on our Facebook, especially as we run ad, so that people will not be posting comments that will distract people from patronizing us. We'll look at how to moderate it, how to set two-factor notification authentication so that our Facebook will be protected from hackers. We also looked at how to create business Facebook business account, then create another account in Naira and then fund it. And we've looked at how to run awareness ad. Now we are into running traffic ad. We have also looked extensively on the campaign objective, and one of the campaign objective is a traffic ad. We are now going to dwell on traffic ad, how to carry it out, and then how to proceed from here. Traffic ad, what is traffic ad? What does it want to achieve? The success of your Facebook ad starts with choosing the right objective. If your objective is to sell, to convert, to get leads, and you are using traffic, it may not work. You may not get that desired result. But if your objective is let people come to your website, know about you, view your content, and then just if it's to bring them to your page, to your website, then you know you are going to run a traffic ad. Traffic ad is important in link clicks. You want people to click a link to the website. For instance, you add a link to maybe your product page on your website or other content, and they will click on it and land there. They will see your products. Those that are interested can purchase, so it creates awareness. Then app, those that are into app installs, send them to your app, they know the feature of your app, then they can see a call to action to install it, Facebook event. Then you have landing page views. You want people to view content on your landing page. Landing page is also like the page that you create that is like a standalone page. People land on it when they click on your ad. Then you have the one directing people to your Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. So the essence of this is to bring them to you, to this your channel, Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, and then start a conversation with you. So how does this convert? Those that start a message, once they click and land on your landing page views, and then once they click on links. So this will be by cost per link clicks. Then you see cost per landing page views, and then cost per conversation. So we are going to go practical to start our traffic ad. You know, this is account. You have different profile. I have my personal profile. I have my business page. So you can go to your business page and then go to Ads Manager. Let's go to Ads Manager. In the awareness ad, we created audience. So this is it. When you go to the ad manager, usually it loads the personal profile. You can see it's personal ad account. I need a business ad account. So I'm going to change it. You can see it. This is my Leo Smart Digital business page. Then the ads manager will load. Even though we are now in the business manager, but the ad manager is still the ad account is still my personal, so I have to change it. You can see it. I will now change it to your smart. So you can see the last one is still active, so I'm going to, this is where you put it off. Campaign is on. So I'm going to off it. It's now off. You can see publishing. One campaign was updated, so it's now off. You can see it. So if you want to delete anyone, you can click here and then click here and delete. So let me delete this too. So let's see under ad set. You see campaign is off. Ad is active, but it will not be delivering. So I can still put it off here. So, but when you are putting it on, make sure that everything is on, because I put it off in the ad set level, in the ad level, and then the campaign level. So let's go for our traffic ad. To start, it's a campaign. We have to click on create. Then we have traffic. As you can see, link clicks, landing page views, messenger. Then we also have calls. So you get people who may be interested in your business to call you. Yes, make sure your number is active in this. You see them calling you. So you see that Facebook is, in fact, is a wonderful tool that you can use to promote your business. So, but for this, we may be concentrating on link clicks, websites, and then maybe WhatsApp, because WhatsApp has higher open rate. Yes. Then if you are doing any of this, make sure that you are ready to chat. Set your canned messages that you can reply fast, quick replies. You can get the frequently asked questions, things that you are going to expect that will make the chat flow. And not that you reply one, then the next 1 hour you reply another one, then it gets cold. So we'll click on continue. Then you name it. So you can name it whatever, just give it a name to make it distinct from others. Buying type is still auction. You can see it is only auction, the highest bidder. So one of the reasons your ad gets expensive is because many people are targeting the same audience. So you can look for an audience that may not be targeted by many people. So you keep researching. So this is A/B test. A/B test, after you publish this campaign, will take you to the A/B test setup where you can finish creating your test. Now it will be the same campaign and possibly ad sets. They are the same audience, but you may have different creatives, maybe different image. You can change the text. So you can, with this, it will run a comparative ad, looking for the one that will convert more, and then give you a result, the winning ad, or the winning ad at the end, maybe at the end of 3 days or 5 days, depending on the number of days you set it. That is the A/B test purpose. So when you check it at the end, when you publish this campaign, this ad, then it will take you to the A/B test setup. Then you duplicate the campaign and then you are not duplicating the campaign, you are duplicating the ad. So you can now change the text, your ad creative, or the ad copy or the ad creative, or both of them. So you can have entirely different ad copy and then ad creative. Ad creative is the image or the video or the carousels. That's the group of images that you use in running your ad. So it can be that, or it can be the ad copy, which is the text. Then advantage campaign budget. So you can turn it on, off, or you can turn it on. Advantage campaign budget will distribute your budget across currently delivering ad sets to get more results depending on your performance goal choices and bid strategy. You can control spending on each ad set. Yeah, like I said before, when your ad set, you have, this can be one. Then you can have more than one ad set in one campaign. Yeah, we are in campaign. When we get to ad set, we can duplicate ad sets, have more than one. You can have more than one ad too. So inside one campaign, you can have multiple ad sets, but the minimum is one. You can have multiple ad, the minimum is one. It will not run if you don't set up an ad, and it will not run if you don't have an ad set. So that's the purpose of this. If you are going to have ad sets, or you are going to do this A/B test, it's better when you have many ad sets, that's when you turn this on. Then you can see daily budget. You can change it, or you can leave it at this, or whatever amount you can change it. So depending on what you are doing, so you can see what we've been able to do in the campaign. We have named it. We have the buying type, that is the auction. We have the A/B test. We have advantage campaign budget. Then we have daily budget, campaign budget, daily budget. So you can see, let's check. We have lifetime budget. So you set, let's see, your lifetime budget is set at 3,000. You see, it's giving me 139,300. And then you can see an alarm. Your lifetime budget is set at 3,801% higher than this account average budget. So they've calculated my average budget, and it's this. So that is why the alarm, and then you can edit it to maybe 10,000. So you see, it's now, it has removed it. And then campaign may get 0 link clicks. Based on how you set your campaign, we recommend trying the following: avoid getting 0 link clicks, expand the audience for your ad set. You can also increase your campaign budget. So I'm not going for lifetime. I usually do daily budgeting. So you still go to 19,900. So I can change it to 3,000, or whichever you want. Then, but it's now telling me that you spend up to 3,750 on some days and less on others. You will spend an average of 3,000 per day and no more than 21,000 per calendar week on currently delivering ad sets. Yes, you can see the campaign bid strategy is highest volume. Highest volume, get the most results for your budget. Cost per result goal, this can restrict your ad. So it's better you leave it at the recommended, which is the highest volume, or the bid cap. We are not going to this. You have set the highest that you want to bid in any auction. So what this does is, if you set this, if your ad is not working, so I will come back to this. We'll talk on this one, maybe troubleshooting ad is not working, what to do. So this, we'll set it at highest volume. Highest volume is okay. Then you can see more option, ad scheduling, run ads all the time. So this is what we have chosen. Then we click on next. We are now in the ad set level. We all know what we do on the ad set level. You can set the name. You can still use the same name, ad set. So just give it a name that the name is just for distinction. So we have to choose the conversion location. Choose where you want to drive traffic. You will enter more details about the destination later. So you can see messaging app. If you want it to be sent to WhatsApp, you check this. But let's do for websites. we have a website, or if you don't have a website, you can send it to your WhatsApp, Messenger, or Instagram. When you choose this, the destination, later you choose the destination, if it is Instagram or WhatsApp. So but now let's go with our website. Then we have the performance goal, maximize number of link clicks. So these link links. Then if it is page views, you try to show your ads to the people most likely to view the website or instant experience linked in your ad. We'll try to show your ads to the people most likely to click on them. You can see maximize number of link clicks. Same meta, we aim to expand your entire budget and get the most link clicks using the highest volume bid strategy. So you can see more option. When you are charged, you can see it impression. Here you can choose link click, you can choose impression. So you want to be charged by link clicks. So when they click the link, you'll be charged. So what you'll be having is number of link per amount per link clicks is what you'll be having here. So you can also leave it at impression. Impression is the number of times Facebook has shown your ad to people. So if it's going to be charged by impression, then maybe by 100 impression, by 1000 impression, the number of times that Facebook has shown your ad 1000 times, you'll be charged. So that's under the performance, ad performance. That's where you see this. Then you have the dynamic creative, provide creative elements such as images and headlines, automatically generates combinations optimized for audience. So if you want it to be optimized, you can turn it on. Then we have budget and schedule. So when do you want your ad to start running? If it is the next day, then always set it to 4 a.m. So it has been shown to convert more at this. As people are waking up, they are waking up to your ad early in the morning. Then end date, you may not set it. Yeah, because you can turn it on, or you can turn it off anytime. And then create audience. So you can create audience, assuming you want it to be shown to people in a state. Let's say people in Lagos. Maybe you deliver to one state, so you can choose Lagos. So see, audience is defined. So estimated is 10 million, 10.5 million, or 12.4 million. But this is much, this is huge, because our budget will not even go around, you get. Yeah, so we can do detailed targeting. Yeah, so you can see Lagos, can exclude anywhere, or you can reduce the kilometer, cities within radius 40 kilometers. You can take it down, or you can set it to 20. So this is 29. See that the reduction is not even much. But there are other ways to work on this. So you can leave it at the 40, and then we'll do other detailed targeting. There's sometimes you may not even need to do detailed targeting. Let Facebook find the right audience, and then as you have your pixel, it will season to know the right audience to target. You can set the age. Age is another audience definition. So let's say it's at S25. You should know the age that your products are meant for, those likely to purchase from you or to be interested. You see that our audience size has moved to 7.3 million to 8.6 million, then 65 plus. So This majority of these people may not be on Facebook self, and then may not be much. She may not waste her money showing ad to these people, and they may not be interested in it. So maybe you set it at 50, then it has come up to 5.9 million to 7 million. Like I said, Facebook recommends between 2 million to 10 million. Yeah, but they will not have much audience. The more you have more audience, the tendency for your ad to be, the cost of your ad to be lower. Then you can do the detailed targeting here, as I showed us in the order. So you can see suggestion, you can see interest, or you can do browse demographics, you can see education, life events. So depending on what you are selling or what you are promoting, you can choose that here. Then you can have education, you have interest, you have business and industry, hobbies and activity, food and drink, shopping and fashion. So these are interests. Once you click on them, you see sub interest. Yeah, then you have behavior, anniversary, behaviors, consumer, classification, digital activities. This is where you do detailed targeting. So you can get your audience persona, what they are likely to do. You can see travel, people that travel frequently, frequent international travelers. You have purchase behavior, those that are always purchasing, engaged shoppers. So this is how you know people that are likely to click on your ad. So this is where you do the targeting. For those that are starting, you may be open depending on your product. If your product is open to virtually everybody, you may not do a detailed targeting, and then you can do a random targeting just by selecting the location and age and probably gender, and then allowing it to run. Facebook will find the right audience, and you can save this audience, save the audience and save it. So if this audience perform good, so you can refer back to it and save it. Then we have placement. Facebook will want you to place it in all. Use advantage placement to maximize your budget and help show your ads to more people. Facebook's delivery system will allocate your ad set budget across multiple placements based on where they are likely to perform best. Yes, but because of your budget, because of our budget, it may not do well in this advantage placement. Yes, because they will show your ad to different area, both in reels, stories, video views, in-stream videos, feed, and so many places. But when you choose manual, you will not have to. You'll be the one to determine where Facebook is going to show your ad. So these are the platforms that Facebook can show your ad. You have Facebook, Instagram, Audience Network, you have Messenger. For the purpose of our ad, we are going for Facebook and Instagram. And when we come to Facebook and Instagram, we can see the placement, 1721 placement that support asset customization. We can see that we have Facebook feed, Instagram profile. Like I said, most time you should know what is recommended. You see, recommend square images and vertical videos, depending on what, because you can see some persons that when you see their ad on Instagram or even on Facebook, you see that the image is not completely shown because the image size is not what is recommended. So while creating your image, your videos, you should take this into consideration. Then we have Facebook video feeds. We have Facebook right column. You can see the right column is horizontal image, the explore. So with this you can determine where you want your ad to be shown, even though sometimes they can optimize your images. So but for our budget sake, we are going to go for the feed. Yes, the feed, people convert more in the feed than every other places. Yes, as you are scrolling on your Instagram, you can see the ad being shown to you. So you can see search result. These are places that Facebook can show your ad, but we are now limiting it to just Facebook feed and Instagram feed. And you can see the image recommended, square image for Facebook feed and Instagram feed is square images. Instagram feed image has always been a square image. So this we are done with the ad set level. You can see what we did in ad set. We do placement, we do audience, and then we schedule our budget, and then the performance, then the conversion. So these are what you do at the ad set level. Using fewer than 6 placements may increase cost per result. You can see we recommend selecting additional platforms where your ad can be delivered. This enables the delivery system to allocate your budget where it's likely to perform best. Yes, sometimes you can do this. Yes, you can still do it. Like this marketplace, you have square, video feed, Facebook video feed, you have square. Like I said, why we limited the number is because of our budget. Profile feed, you can see square image. So we now have like 5. So you say 5, this is fewer than 6. Messenger inbox, Instagram explore, right column, then Instagram stories, Facebook reels. Then we have Facebook search results, square videos. We have apps and other sites. So message inbox, you can see there's square image too. So we can choose this, and you see that the warning has left. So you can choose up to 6, because it's showing that the more they have option of where to show your ad, it can decrease the cost. And the thing is, once they show it to different placements, you see that where it converts more, they may shift the focus. More of your ad will be shown that area. Then you have specific mobile devices and operating systems. So you want it shown to all devices, but most time Nigeria, like some of my ad, when I see the people that the devices is mainly mobile, and then the desktop may just be so. Brand safety and suitability, inventory filter. So we are not concerned here, so we can still hide it, and then we click on next. Next will take us to the ad proper. So we can see what our page is already there. Then your ad must be associated with an Instagram account. Choose an Instagram account to represent your business at the ad level. So you can choose the Instagram account. Then we can create ad. Yeah, we are going to create ad or use an existing post. Can use single image, or a slideshow. Then this is add media. So we are going to add image or add video. We are using image. So here we can upload our image or use other images. Yes, can use other images. So assuming I want to promote this my CAC course on my website. So assuming I'm choosing this, the complete CAC registration bundle, then I'll click on next. So you can see learn how to register business name. So I'm assuming I want to promote this course. Don't mind it. This is my past ad creative. So I can click on next, or we upload. Or we can upload. You see that it has displayed how it's going to look. This is on Facebook. This is a Facebook feed. This is Instagram feed. This is Instagram profile. Facebook marketplace. Facebook video feed. Messenger inbox. You can see. To upload video, then all we have to do is, let's remove this. Then we are going to add image or add video. Then click on upload. Then go to where we have it, upload it. So when you upload it, then you go to next, it will bring it up. So you can see you can optimize and click all optimization, standard enhancement, original creative, then click on done. You can see that it's fully optimized. Standard enhancement, image filter, music, 3D animation. Now is the time for primary test. By now, if you have your test, I can know if you already have a test like this, I can click on it and add it. So it has been added. If you don't have, just copy it where you have pasted it and paste. Next is the headline. Displayed URL, the headline, website URL, learn more is going to take them to our website. Headline, master CAC registration. So you can use any compelling headline within, or learn how to carry out CAC registration yourself without paying an agent. So because I'm promoting my website, so I can go to my website. Let me pick the URL. So I'll get the URL, learn more, then and put it here. Send people to your website. So I want them to know about this, what I offer. You can see complete CAC pre and post incorporation coaching and training mentorship. You have SCORM application, you have CAC post incorporation filing. For those that want the different courses, you can see them. You can see the CAC registration mastery courses. I want them to be taken to this place and then to know about the page. But if it is, let's say, it is streamlined, then maybe it's just this CAC I want to sell, I want people to know about. I can take the URL to this, can copy it, and then paste it here. So you can preview it. Let's see how it will look. You can see leosmartdigital.com. My website is already displayed, and then people can click on learn more. So when they click learn more, it will take them to this. You can see they will know about this, and then they can even purchase, add to cart, and then they'll be able to access the course. So this is how to run a traffic ad to our website. Then you can see, you can now publish. Most time as you are creating your ad, you may be receiving some warning or notification that something is wrong, so do not ignore that. You can see that there's a clear bill of health in this ad process. Then the next is for us to click on publish. We'll click on publish, it will be published, and then once it is reviewed, yes, okay, yes, the A/B test, I told us finish setting up your A/B test, compare the campaign that you publish with another version to see which performs better. You choose or create version B, the next steps. So let's continue. Make a copy. I'm making a copy, or pick another existing ad. So you can make a copy, click next, select variable. So is it audience, is it placement, is it custom, is it creative? So assuming you want to pick a variable that they need to be compared, maybe you want to change an image from that, so you can choose this. So you see which ad copy do you want to copy, then you can see it here. This is the one to be copied. Then you can click next, and then creative name, you can give it a name. So let's say traffic copy. Then cost per result, link clicks, yeah, CPC, cost per link click. So we choose link clicks. Then schedule. Your test will run for 4 days from 00 on your start date to 00 on your end date. So you can set the start date when you want it to start, then the end when you want it to end. So if it is 3 days you want, you set it. End test early if a winner is found. So you can check this to end it early if a winner is found. Then you click on duplicate ad set. So it's duplicating ad set. So the campaign was updated. Then you can now work on can now set it up. You can see that this is a copy. So this is the copy. So this is a copy. So we know we are changing the creative. So we'll go here and then change the creative and publish. But if it is audience, you go and change the audience, whichever you want to do. You can remove and then choose our image. So assuming you want to use this CAC registration training. So this is not, this is just a random image we are using, and you click on next and optimize fully. Click on done. So you can see what we've been able to do, and then we publish. Do well in crafting a good ad copy, and then a good creative, something that will be enticing, that will make people to stop as they scroll to go through your ad copy. So we have been able to publish this to monitor your test and see result. View your chart. So it's processing. You can see. So let's look at our campaign. Let's go to Ads Manager. Make sure that your link is working. Yes, so that somebody will not come to your ad and then you say that link is broken, is not able to access it, and your ad will not be delivering. You just be spending money. So let's look at the ad we just placed. You can see that it's scheduled. So let's check under ad sets. Scheduled, then ad sets. Ad is processing. So it's processing. So you can see the two, the copy and the main ad. This copy and then this is the first ad. And note that when you do this A/B testing, it's going to charge you double. So one will be delivering for 3,000, then the other will be delivering for 3,000. So you can set it for 3 days and see how it's doing, and then you can turn off the second one. Next, we'll look at how to send this. Assuming this traffic, we want to send it to WhatsApp. Like the awareness, I showed us how to send it to WhatsApp. It's all about choosing the right. So assuming it's traffic, we'll choose traffic. Then you can name it. So we are moving. I'm not going to dwell more, but I just want to show us. So we choose messaging apps. Get people to engage with your brand on Messenger. Then you can see the page is already selected. You can see Messenger, you can see WhatsApp, you can see Instagram. So I'm going to go for WhatsApp. Make sure that you already linked your business manager to your WhatsApp, or your business page to your WhatsApp. And then bid control is optional. The amount, ad may get 0 result based on how you set your ad set. You might not get any result. To feed this, consider making changes to your ad set before publishing. 2 is selected. You see that you can select more than one, but I'm selecting only one. Yeah, but let's say we select all. Let's see what will happen. So it means that you can get messages in all of them. So whichever you want to do, but I want to concentrate on WhatsApp for those that doesn't have website. And then choose our budget. So you can increase the daily budget. You see that because of Messenger, let's see, you see that the price increased. Yeah, it's increased. Audience is fairly broad. So let's now remove Messenger. the price is now lower. Why? Messenger, when you have no much audience, yeah, it costs more. For an ad that the audience size is like 100,000, it will be more expensive than an ad that has an audience size of 2 million. Audience size for WhatsApp is more than audience size for this messenger. So that's why you see that it became cheaper. Then you spend up to 1,243.75 on some days and less on others. You spend an average of 995 naira per day and no more than 6,965 per calendar week on currently delivering ad set. So you can set the dates, know our time, for, then you can set an end date. Then we can do detailed targeting, assuming let's say 25 to 40 or to 45. Mind you, it's fairly broad. We can do the states. Let's say we just want people who want to, maybe physical products you deliver to people. Then click on. So this Lagos, you see that it's now defined 5.5 million to 6.4 million. Then you can also do detailed targeting as I showed us, and then do a manual placement. Let's say you just do it to Instagram and Facebook. You might just do, so I will not be dwelling much on this. So do it, optimize it. You see estimated daily reach 897 to 2.6 thousand. Conversions is 0. Most time this doesn't work. The accuracy of estimate is based on factors such as past campaign data. So I don't have much campaign on this, so it's going to give me 0. So this is not the reality. So do not be deterred by what you see here. Then click on next. Then the ad. Facebook page, Instagram is selected. So under create ad, use an existing post. Use existing post, or select or create a post. So you can select or create a post. So it will bring you to your page. You see different past posts you've made, and then you can choose it, or you make a fresh one. And while making it, because you've already linked your page to your Instagram, it will pop up for you to add a WhatsApp button. So click on it to add a WhatsApp button, and then you see that when people see the message, they can chat to you on WhatsApp. And try to use more than one images that tell more about what you do. So you can see your trusted partner in sales registration, send WhatsApp. So you can see this is the things I was showing us. This ad has one error: personalized greeting in WhatsApp. This ad is paused to help protect user privacy, as that click to WhatsApp cannot have names in their greeting. To resume ad, this ad set its greetings to not include names. Okay, I tried to use other posts. You can see that this post cannot be used. This post needs to include a call to action button in the ad that lets people message you on WhatsApp. You can see this one side, one that has call to action, but it doesn't have text. Let's select. Let's see if it will go. You can see that that image, that notification has disappeared, meaning that it is basically from our post. So the post that you put that, let's change this one again. What let's see what it will display again. You see that has not displayed again. So you're sending WhatsApp message. So it has displayed personalized greeting in WhatsApp ad. This ad is paused. So in your message should not be personalized. So WhatsApp cannot have names in their greeting. To resume this ad, set is greeting to not include name. To correct this, because this will verify these are past posts that has been reviewed by Facebook, and then may know that personalized greeting in WhatsApp ad. This ad is paused to help protect users' privacy, as that click to WhatsApp cannot have names in their greeting. To resume this ad, set its greetings to not include names. Yes, there is no way I set greetings to name on WhatsApp, and then because of that, you can see that you can't proceed. Then the other thing is I'll have to change this post or edit the post, but I will need to let me change it to another post. Let's see what will happen. Let's see this. Let me see if this. Let's see what will happen here. So this is a post on annual returns. Let me see if it will. It means this post is compliant. So you can see that you see a message template. Encourage people to start a conversation with your business in Messenger after they've clicked on your ad. Will show your ads to the right people to help you achieve your optimization goal. So you can create new one. You have hello, please let us know how we can help you. Hello, can I get more info on this? These are messages that people can send and test. You can use the existing one, but basically they will click here and then chat you on WhatsApp. Facebook will send details of this ad to your WhatsApp, and you'll be able to know that it is from this ad, and you'll be able to respond accordingly, and then you publish. So this is how to run an ad to your WhatsApp. You can see send WhatsApp message. You're going to WhatsApp, send WhatsApp. So then you click publish. Let's see. So it has been published. Like I said, Facebook, everything you do should be focused on your product and not your audience. Do not personalize your ad creative, then your ad will fly. See that it has been removed. When you want to make any post that you will use to send to your WhatsApp, make sure it is not personalized, and after the publishing, you wait for it to be approved. So let's see what the stage it is now. So you can see that is now scheduled, the new traffic. So this is to WhatsApp. So I'm going to turn this off, and then this is the recent one. Let's see the campaign level. Let me turn it on. Let me see. the traffic campaign. Let's see, scheduled. Let me see the ad set. Scheduled campaign is processing. So this will be sent to WhatsApp. So this, we've shown how to do a traffic ad to your WhatsApp and then traffic ad to your website. It's the same way to other messenger and even Instagram. Kindly subscribe, like, comment, share. If you've not subscribed, click subscribe and then turn on the notification icon. Click on it to turn it on so that you'll be notified when I make new posts. In our next tutorial, we'll be looking at the lead generation. So we will not be dwelling on engagement. Engagement is to get more messages, video views, post engagement, page likes. If you want to do any page like, you can use this. Maybe we'll still treat it and then do lead generation. So next will be page engagement ad, then we'll do lead generation after that, and then sales, which is conversion. They are suggesting this for me. Once again, if you are getting value, kindly subscribe if you've not. Turn on the notification icon to get notified when I make new uploads or upload new content, and then share, click comment, share and like so that YouTube can show this to more people. Once again, thank you as you do that. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.